Hello everyone. If you want to enable two-factor authentication on Discord, then you have to register an authenticator app. So first tap on the avatar in the bottom right corner here, and then tap the cogwheel icon that is on the top right. And then just press on account and then select enable authenticator. After that, you will need to download either Google Authenticator or Authy on your mobile device. Just use this one. If you have a lot of Gmail IDs, then this is the best app for Authenticator. And then follow the instructions on the app. Then you will get a secret key. Just put that key into your Authenticator app so it can generate your one-time codes. And you will be also asked to enter one of these codes generated by the app to ensure it is working correctly. And you can also do the same for your desktop. Just go to your account settings and then simply click on enable authenticator app, and after that you'll have to connect it with your Google Authenticator and get the code, paste it on Discord, then just log in and you'll get an code every time you open the Discord. Then when you have successfully enabled 2FA and want to try logging in, you'll see a screen like this one. Just paste the code, then click confirm to sign into your Discord. Now there are some other types of two-factor authentications. For example, instead of just a one-time code from the app, you can also set up passkeys and security keys, but that will be a video for another day. Also, you can get SMS and text. And if you like forget the code, forget to download the code, you still have an option. Just click on here, and you can also, like for example, forgot to add a phone as a backup. You can do so. Just follow the steps and make sure you enable SMS authentication so that even if you lost your phone, you can still recover the SIM and you can get that backup code in your mobile. Anyway, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.